That's steep. Don't miss that step. Continue walk around this cliff edge. This looks sketchy. We're gonna check it out though. A little sketch. Watch your step. Looks like long legs could be beneficial. Shitty knees is the downside. I can get right here. Oh man. Oh, this is why they don't want you coming over here. Park ranger this morning said that. Oh damn. That's the spot right there. Oh man. That's the vortex right over there. If I can zoom in on this thing. I don't know how to do that. First time using the GoPro. I don't know how to zoom. Watching on this little screen. Damn. You get that little feeling in your stomach when you look down. That is steep. Climb back out of this. Long legs don't fail me. That rock's loose. Oh yeah. Don't walk that way. Howdy.
I met you at the Vista, right?
Oh yeah, pretty awesome little view over there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, just stay to the right.
I don't want to go to the left.
No, you don't.
Nobody wants that. Oh, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go up here now. I haven't gone this way yet. You always want to go where others aren't. If you can. I might need both hands. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Foot placement. Oh, we're going up this way. Come along. Not the end of the line. Not the end. We gonna keep. Oh, that's legit. That's where I'm going. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad. Oh, ooh, we're gonna downgrade pack right here, and not for 6'4" motherfuckers. That's for sure. Maybe we crawl out here. Put the wrist strap back on. Okay. Army crawl, baby. Army crawl to get the views. Don't roll to the left. Oh man. Oh, that's what that just came up. Oh, like level with that little white line over there. Sorry for that. All right. Now back on out. We're gonna take it nice and slow. Hug the line. in the wall. In the wall. Sorry, Dad. Let me see this. I'm sure you am being as careful as I can be. Okay. We're able to kneel. All right. Okay. Trade hands here.